So John Deere 9530, I'm going to show you a collision package that we keep. A lot of construction job sites, also on the farm in the fall. Guys are back in combine or excavator back into the tractor. So when you do that, one, you're in season and you're in a hurry. That's why you did it. We know you didn't do it on purpose. So to make an easier, faster repair, we have basically like a car front clip. So we have the entire hood assembly, just as it comes off the tractor, and we have the entire cooling package just as it comes off the tractor. So typically, if you have a problem, you've damaged coolers, radiator, this frame, most of the time you don't get up into the engine. And so this kit consists of basically here from the fan forward. We also include all the tubes, connectors, some lines, wherever the lines run to. That's important, and it's also important for your end to know that taking these off, these are tricky to get off. You'll twist them off if you're not careful, so we don't want to send you something and you twist it off, and then you still got more problems. So this comes off with 4 bolts. You lift it up, you replace it. It's a pretty quick and easy replacement. Here we come to the intake. Below, we come back up to the, to the engine. Shroud. On the hood, you get the hinge all the way back to the hinge, and then we stop. If you get up into the cab, we got those parts. It's just not part of this kit. So hood kit, cooling package. When you do, either you get ran over or you back into something or pull into something, that's what this is for. We do have, if you need a radiator, this isn't for you. If you need a grill, this isn't for you. But when you have a bad deal, that's what we sell it for. We can help you out. Check the website. If you don't see it on the website, be sure to give us a call. We may have something that's not inventoried yet. We can get you fixed up and get you back going. Thanks for looking.